One beautiful day, Elsa visited New Orleans to see her good friend, Princess Tiana. Tiana was very excited to show Elsa her famous restaurant, Tiana's Palace, which everyone loved for its delicious food and friendly atmosphere. I can't wait to try your famous gumbo, Elsa said, smiling brightly. Tiana led Elsa inside, where tasty smells of spices and fresh bread filled the air. Elsa felt so happy that her magic started sparkling around her fingertips. Oops, Elsa giggled. Sometimes my magic gets excited when I'm happy. Suddenly, Elsa sneezed. Achoo! In a flash, a burst of icy magic shot from her hands and froze everything inside the restaurant. The tables, chairs, and even the yummy food became covered in glittery ice. Oh no! Elsa gasped. I'm so sorry, Tiana. Tiana smiled kindly. Don't worry, Elsa. We'll fix this together. Tiana thought hard. We need something warm and magical to melt the ice. She got an idea. Let's create a special new recipe together, something that warms the heart and melts ice. Together, they began cooking. Elsa used her magic gently to create beautiful, icy decorations, while Tiana cooked a warm, delicious stew full of love and spices. As they worked together, laughter and friendship filled the kitchen. Now, Elsa, Tiana said, add a tiny sprinkle of your magic into the stew. Elsa carefully let a tiny sparkling snowflake fall into the pot. The stew bubbled and glowed warmly, smelling amazing. It's ready, Tiana said with excitement. They carried the magical stew out into the restaurant. As soon as they opened the lid, the warm and delicious smell filled the air. Slowly, the ice began to melt away. Tables, chairs, and even the gumbo returned to normal. Everyone in the restaurant cheered happily. This is the best stew ever, a customer shouted, taking a big spoonful. Tiana hugged Elsa. See? Sometimes mistakes lead to wonderful new ideas. Elsa smiled warmly. You're right. Friendship really is the best magic of all. From that day on, Tiana's Palace served the special Elsa Tiana magical stew, always reminding everyone that friendship can warm even the coldest ice.